In this video, I'm going to show you how to instantly relieve nerve pain in your neck. Stay tuned. Hey everyone, Dr. Rowe coming to you from SpineCare in St. Joseph, Michigan. In this video, we're going to focus on quickly reducing tension and pressure that may be building in the neck, leading to a pinched nerve and a lot of sharp pain. A note about these exercises, each one works just a little bit differently. To get the best results, go through them all, use what gives you the most relief. With that being said, let's get started. So if you're dealing with a lot of nerve pain right now, the first thing to do is to try to take as much tension and pressure off the neck as quickly as possible. Here's a really easy way to be able to do this. Take your fingers, interlock them, have your thumbs pointed towards the floor. You're going to put your hands right on the back of your head, thumbs right below the base of the skull. Apply pressure right into the muscles off to the side of the spine, and just enough pressure where it's going to be a comfortable self-massage. From there, I just do a light circular motion with my thumbs. This usually feels really, really good. I do this for about 5 seconds, relax, see how it feels. If it feels nice and loose, there's no pain in that area, I just move over a little bit and then repeat this over and over again across the base of the skull. So I'm going all the way towards my ears. From there, I work my way down towards the middle part of the neck and repeat towards the base of the neck, even towards the top of the shoulders. What we're trying to do is find that one certain spot that needs the most amount of tension. So maybe there's just a really big pocket of pain, tightness, or achiness. At that point, you just want to stop over that spot and keep repeating this over and over again until everything is nice and loose or you're not getting any more improvement. If you do find that one certain spot that just does not want to release, at that point, what I would focus on is attacking the muscle fibers at different angles. So instead of doing that light circular massage, take your thumb and hook right before the spot that you're having pain and then just slide your thumb across your neck towards the ear. Do this a couple times. You may find that it finally gets it to release. You can also do diagonal motions like going upward, or you can go downward with it. Experiment with as many different movements as possible and use what gives you the most relief. So why I like this exercise is because at this point you're probably feeling a lot of warmth coming into the neck. That's blood flow or circulation coming in, which is going to help promote healing. But this one can actually help also improve range of motion. So when it comes to a pinched nerve in the neck, you'll probably find that one certain movement, like turning your head towards one side, just sends that sharp shooting pain downward. Like let's say that if I turn my head towards the left, I have a lot going down towards my right side. This is how you can take this exercise to the next level. So let's build into that movement, but stop right before the point that we're going to have a lot of pain. At that point, I'm going to massage into the area where I'm experiencing pain for about 5 seconds, and then I relax. On the next repetition, you're going to find that you have just a little bit more movement. You can build into it just a little bit more. So keep repeating this over and over again until you're not getting any more improvement. So the movements that I would focus on are rotation, that is turning to look over your shoulder on both sides. You can also do a tilting motion, taking your ear towards your shoulder, and then you can also do flexion, taking your chin towards your chest, and also extension, looking upward towards the ceiling. Go through as many different movements as possible, attack as many different spots as possible, and use what gives you the most relief. So after we're done releasing tension off the neck, the next step is to now try to open it up through a pulling motion known as traction. So this is going to help take pressure off pinched nerves. This is a really easy one that you can do standing or seated. What you're going to do is take 2 fingers and put them right on your chin. What you want to try to do is just drive your head back slightly like this until you feel the muscles in your neck start to fire. You're going to hold this and then slightly take your chin towards your chest. At this point, you should start to feel a little bit of an opening stretch in the neck, but this is how we're going to take this one to the next level. We're going to hold this position, take our hand on the other side, and then hook right on the back of our head. What we want to do is keep pushing back and down on our chin, but take our other hand like this and scoop it forward, drawing our chin further towards our chest. As you do this, you're going to feel a really good stretch, a really deep opening traction into the neck. Try to hold this one for 15 to 20 seconds and do nice, slow, controlled breathing. Just let out as much tension as you can. From there, release it, and then repeat this 3 to 5 times. And with each repetition, try to build into it just a little bit more. So to take this one to the next level, what we can do is add in some more neck movements to get some more relief. So instead of keeping your chin straight, what you want to do is slowly turn your head towards one side, but stop before the point that you get any more pain. So I'm going to go a little bit towards my left. I'm going to hold that position, and then I'm going to repeat this exercise. What you're going to notice is it opens up the neck just a little bit differently. So build into this one, going towards the left as much as you can, and then also go towards the right. You're going to find that one certain spot just offers the most relief. At that point, stop in that position and throw more repetitions in until you're not getting any more improvement. And this is a wonderful exercise that you can use throughout the day. For this exercise, we need a couple different things. The first being the edge of a bed, the next being a large can of soup. I'm going to be using beef, barley, vegetable, but you can use any flavor you like. So let's start by lying flat on our back and scoot backward just until your head slowly starts to go off the edge of that bed. So it should feel like gravity is starting to pull your head downward. From there, we're going to take our can of soup and place it right underneath our head, so it's supporting the whole curve of our neck. In this position, you should really start to feel gravity pulling your head weight downward, opening up the neck. This puts the neck into extension, which can quickly take pressure off pinched nerves, causing that pain. And it usually feels really, really good. So if this position right here offers a deep stretch, I would try to hold this for at least 30 seconds and do nice, slow, controlled breathing. Let out as much tension as you can. But if you're able to, try to hold it for longer, 45 seconds, upward towards a couple of minutes. I would try to do this for a total of 3 to 5 minutes, broken up into as many repetitions as you like. But if you would like to intensify this stretch, what you can do is take your thumb right here, place it right underneath your chin, and slowly press upward, causing the head right here to go further down towards the floor. But build into this one slowly. Do not go to the point that it's causing any more pain or discomfort. So build into that one if you are ready. But the nice thing about the soup can is that we could also do a self-massage while also getting a deep traction into our neck. So as you're in this position, just use your legs right here in your body to roll up and down, allowing that soup can to glide over those muscles. Again, this one usually feels really, really good. So give that a try while you do this. You can have your body straight, but you can also tilt it towards one side. So what I'm doing is tilting my body a little bit towards my left and then repeating. What you're going to notice is that it just hits the muscles off to the side of the spine a little bit more. So give that a try towards the left and then also towards the right. You can also throw some neck movements in to hopefully get some more relief. So as you hold this position, slowly turn your head to look over one shoulder as much as you can. Go towards the left and then also towards the right. You can also do a bending motion, so taking your ear towards your shoulder. Give that a try in both directions. But go through all of these movements. You're probably going to find that one certain movement just offers the most relief. At that point, stop over that spot and spend more time in that position. One of the easiest ways to open up the neck and get quick nerve pain relief is through banded traction. For this one, we need a pull-up band. You can find these at any local sporting goods department. If you would like to get one online, I will leave a link in this video's comment section and description, but this band is going to do all of the hard work for us. So let's start off by taking one end of the band and looping it around the doorknob on the other side of the door and then closing the door. That way it will hold the band in place so it won't slip and whack us in our face. The other end, I'm going to wrap a towel around for comfort and then just hook it right at the base of the skull. Let's lie flat on our back and have our body in a nice straight line with this band. Let's take 2 fingers, put them right on our chin, and slightly tuck our chin towards our chest until you feel a gentle stretch forming in the neck. Once you feel that, you're going to hold this From here, pretty straightforward. Just scoot downward away from that door. The more that you go down, the more that you're going to feel a deep pulling traction being caused by this band. If you don't feel it, just keep scooting down. I guarantee you will feel it. But what we're trying to do is get a deep but comfortable traction in the neck to the point where it's offering relief. Once you feel that, hold this position for at least 30 seconds and do nice, slow, controlled breathing. Let out as much tension as you can. But if this feels good, try to hold it for longer. Me personally, I try to hold it for about 3 to 5 minutes. Just grab a book, your phone, take your mind off of it. Again, this band is going to do all of the hard work for us. When you need to relax, just scoot back like this. But try to aim towards 3 to 5 minutes, and you can split that up into as many repetitions as you like. To take this one to the next level, what we can do is add in some neck movements to open up the neck a little bit differently and hopefully get some more relief. So as you do this, instead of keeping your head straight, slowly turn to look over one side's shoulder and then scoot down. So I'm turning my head a little bit towards my left. What you'll notice is it opens up the other side a little bit more. So give that a try towards the left and also towards the right. You can also do a bending motion, so taking your ear towards your shoulder, towards the left, and then also towards the right. But go through all of those movements. If you find that one just offers more relief at that point, spend more time in that position. If the exercises help, please support the channel by giving this video a like and maybe subscribing too. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.